Are you always rushing to finish your work, only to see it fail just as quickly? Do you crave lasting success, but feel stuck in a cycle of speed? Discover the secret of true craftsmanship from a wise master who builds not just for today, but for generations to come. His secret is not in his tools. It is in his heart. Join young Leo on a journey of transformation from reckless ambition to profound wisdom. Learn English through story and discover the power of patience. This is the Master Carpenter's secret. In a bustling city, filled with the sounds of commerce and the dreams of ambition, lived a young carpenter named Leo. He was fast and undeniably skillful. His hands moved with incredible speed, but within his heart burned a powerful desire to finish every task in a single day. Why take a week to build a simple chair when I can construct it in just one day? He often mused with a confident smirk. His projects were always rushed. While his creations looked good at first glance, sparkling and new, the truth was his hastily built chairs often broke within a month or two, causing disappointment. A growing sense of frustration gnawed at Leo's ambition. He craved lasting recognition, but his speedy methods seemed to betray him. He knew something was missing. One quiet afternoon, while reflecting on his dilemma, Leo heard tales of an old master carpenter whose creations were legendary for their endurance. Driven by curiosity and a desperate hope, Leo decided to seek out this enigmatic master, hoping to uncover the secret of true craftsmanship. After a long journey, he finally found the master's humble workshop. It stood gracefully, untouched by time, among ancient trees. Inside, the old master carpenter sat peacefully, his weathered hands moving with deliberate slowness, meticulously carving a single leg of a table. Leo watched, his young mind filled with confusion and a touch of impatience. The master's pace seemed almost painfully slow. Unable to hold back his burning questions, Leo finally spoke, his voice echoing slightly in the quiet workshop. "Master," Leo began with genuine bewilderment, "why do you work so incredibly slowly? You could easily finish this entire table in just a week." The master smiled, a smile filled with profound understanding and infinite patience. He gently set down his well-worn carving tool. He then picked up a finished piece of his exquisite work, holding it up for Leo to examine its flawless detail. Then the master spoke, his voice calm and resonant, carrying the wisdom of many years. "Leo, you are building for the eye, for instant gratification. But I, young Leo," the master continued, with a gentle gaze, "I am building for time, for endurance, for a legacy that truly lasts. Fast work is like a fire, the master explained, his voice thoughtful. It burns brightly with impressive speed, captivating all who witness it. However, just as quickly, he added with a slight sigh, it dies, leaving behind nothing but ashes and fading memories. But slow work, the master continued, a gleam in his eyes, is like a tree. It grows slowly, patiently, establishing deep roots. It takes time, much time, to reach its full height, its true potential. But once grown, it lasts for generations. Leo listened intently, the master's words resonating deeply within his soul. The hurried spirit within him began to quiet. He looked at his own hands, then at the master's. The truth of the words sank in. Fast was not always better. With newfound humility, Leo bowed deeply to the wise master, acknowledging the profound lesson he had just received. He picked up a piece of raw wood and began to carve, not with haste, but with a new-found patience, learning from the master's example. Days turned into weeks, and Cale worked diligently by the master's side. His hands, once so quick, now moved with deliberate care. His new creations were no longer just for the eye. They were built for time, embodying strength and timeless beauty, a true testament to patience. Years passed. Leo became a respected master himself, teaching others the invaluable lesson of patience and lasting quality. His work stood the test of time, just like the master's. The secret was not in speed, but in soul, in patience, and in building for generations. And so the Master Carpenter's secret lived on. Leo's journey taught him that speed is fleeting, but patience builds a legacy. Now, let's review 5 powerful words from today's story. First, meticulously. It means working with extreme care, just like the master. Next, ambition. This is your drive to succeed. Third, endurance. It's about building things that last. Fourth, legacy. What will you leave behind for the future? And finally, haste. Remember, rushing usually leads to mistakes. Which word describes your work style best? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English stories. See you next time.